Hello, welcome again. We are studying special module of NCERT named as Partition Horror Remembrance Day. So here the next topic is was the partition inevitable? So I will read this. Uh, the partition of India and the creation of Pakistan were by no means inevitable. In fact, even 6 months before the event, hardly anyone took the possibility seriously. The renowned writer Nirad C. Chaudhary, who closely observed Indian politics development for decades prior to independence, wrote, I assert this with confidence that not even at the end of 1946 did anybody in India believe in the possibility of a partition of the country. Yet within 6 months it was announced as a policy and accepted as a proposal. And in less than 3 months from the announcement of the plan, the monstrous and unnatural partition of India became a fact. The Hindus and British alike foreverse the principle of unity of India, which they had always professed. The continent of Sarki, page 243. Even Jinnah later admitted that he had not expected the partition to actually happen. He told his ADC, I never thought it would happen. I had never expected to see Pakistan in my lifetime. Leonard Bosley, The Last Days of British Raj, page 239. Stanley Wolpert, the biographer of Jinnah, has written that except for two or three top leaders, even most within the Muslim League did not consider the demand for partition practical. They saw it as a pressure tactic to secure more Muslim representations in power sharing with Congress. The process of forming interim government to ensure to assume power has already underway in 1946. Therefore, the Congress leader assumed the impossibility of partition as for granted. That is why Nehru saw Jinnah's attempt mere pressure tactic. As late as March 1947, Nehru dismissed Jinnah as insignificant, a mediocre liar with an obsession for Pakistan, mostly page 94. This remark he made to Mountbatten when he arrived to take charge as the new viceroy. Cyril Radcliffe, Chairman Boundary Committee, June-August 1947. He wrote his statement is, I had no alternative. The time at my disposal was so short that I could not do a better job. I was given a job to do and I did my best, though it may not have been very good. Since it had long been the known position of the British government that it was against partition, Congress leaders underestimated Jinnah. Although Viceroy Lord Wavell repeatedly made it clear ever since 1940 up to March 1947 that partition would not resolve the Hindu Muslim problem. It would only lead to mass violence, administrative collapse, and long term hostility. His words prove prophetic. So, next topic is lesson from the partition that we will read in the next video.